Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I will teach you the easiest and one of the most effective lucid dreaming techniques. For this technique, no previous experience is required. No dream journaling, no meditation, no nothing. You don't even need to know your sleep cycles. You just need to follow these 5 to 6 steps and you will most likely have a lucid dream. This technique is called rausis. It was made by rausis, who had 10 people do this technique, and 60% of them, so 6, managed to lucid dream that night. And the other 40 had their lucid dream within 2 to 3 days. This technique artificially creates REM sleep, making it very easy to go into the lucid dream. So the way you do this technique, the first step is to set an alarm for about an hour before you wake up, or an hour and a half. You need to make sure that you are still sleepy and you can go back to sleep during this time. The next step is to set an alarm for 3 minutes after you wake up. Make the sound something that you would hear in real life. For example, bell sounds or ducks. And while you're falling asleep, tell yourself that when I hear this alarm sound, I will become lucid. So when you hear that sound, your brain will tell you, I hear this sound, and it will tell you, well, you will do a reality check, and then you will find out that you are in a lucid dream. Before you click off this video, there are a couple of things that you will need to do if you will have you might have trouble with this technique. The first one is if you can't go to sleep within that 3 minutes, you will not succeed. So instead of 3 minutes, I recommend doing 5 to 10. But if you do not fall asleep quickly, this will ensure that you will go to sleep before that alarm goes off and will make you lucid. You also really need to believe in yourself when you tell yourself that the alarm will make you lucid. Because if you don't believe in yourself, your brain will think that you're just talking to yourself, and that's not really something to remember. Be confident when you think about it, and you will have a lot of fun with this technique. So that about wraps it up for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll be able to have your lucid dream just like those 10 people that rausis made test this technique. And goodbye.